What up, y'all? It's your man Wayne Train back with another joint, and today I'm doing a video requested by one of my subscribers, doing a more in-depth, and I did want to get back to this, by the way, comparison when it comes to the Apple Airpods, whether they are an audiophile kind of headphone. And part of the reason why this video did take so long to the guy who wanted me to make this video, I can't remember who, I'm sorry, but I think you suggested one of my other headphones that I did in the past, and I don't have them no longer, so I was trying to see if I can come up on another set of headphones to compare them to, but I couldn't. So what I am going to compare them to is, I got the beeper, the beeper joint, my AirPods Pro. I'm comparing those to the Galaxy Buds. Now, this comparison is going to be, I'm using Amazon Music. I do have the hi-fi Amazon Music with the high fidelity, crisper audio experience. So that was, I believe that's what you wanted to know, is if it's worth it. And that's what we're going to talk about today. So is it worth it for you to go out and buy these $250 headphones? Are you going to get audiophile quality, and we're talking about through the Amazon hi-fi music and all that stuff, or is it just a gimmick, and can you still get that same quality with that on your Galaxy Buds? So let's get it. If you don't know who I be, come on. If you don't know who I be, my name is Wayne Train. You know, I do tech videos. All right. You know, go do your Googles, your searches, all that stuff. 225 plus. We out here. We rolling deep. I got the squad. You know, we doing this up. We getting it up this year. No, let me stop. All right. I do tech videos though, for real, being real. Tech videos, news, audio, headphone comparisons, whatever it is. If that interests you, you know, please consider subscribing. And I'm trying to be entertaining to y'all as well. Trying, lack of sense of humor, but you know, it is what it is. But anyway, like I said, preferences, I'm in preferences for sure. I'm not an audiophile. Many of you have just immediately clicked this video off. So it's like, I get it. I'm going to try my hand at, you know, listening to certain things, certain songs. And I'm going to let you guys know. So what I'm going to do here, though, is I'm going to go ahead and get these paired up. I got my Note 10 Plus that's going to be paired up with the Galaxy Buds, same app, Amazon Music, and I'm going to have it paired up here with my AirPods on the iPhone. So we're going to do it like that. So give me a minute. We're going to get everything set up, and I'll be right back. All right, so I got everything paired up and set up on both phones. Got the Amazon app open, Amazon Music. We're going to be starting off, as far as settings, everything's going to be on noise canceling mode, which is the best mode to be in on the AirPods Pros. So as you can see, bam. And we're going to start off with a little bit of this Childish, man. I feel like it gives me the best range. I don't know. Like I said, there's a lot of different instruments and everything in this music. So volume level, we're going to get it up basically all the way. And let's get it. Got Ultra HD, which means we're at the highest quality. All right. Get down, baby. Ah! Definitely very clear. Yeah. Right. Alright, we over here on the Galaxy phone, or the Galaxy Buds now. Same song. Let's get it. My body. All night. I can move it. There's pressure brewing. Get down, baby. Fly. Everyone. Get down, baby. Okay. Sounds good. Okay. Alright, so on that first song, I'm gonna play a couple more tracks, maybe at least one more for sure. But on that first song, like, it's hard to explain. Like, if I could put it into, like, for lack of better words or whatever, on the AirPods, like most music when I listen to it, it just sounds just a bit more open, if you can kind of picture what I'm saying. If there was an instance where you were ever like in the studio with somebody and, you know, you're just kind of in that environment, it's closer to the AirPods for that. And the Galaxy Buds, while they do sound really good and insulated and all that stuff, like, it's nothing like that. It does sound just a bit more manufactured in terms of just the sound reproduction or whatever, accuracy or whatever. If you were ever going to be somewhere listening like to live music, it's closer on the AirPods than it is on the Galaxy Buds. Now we're going to switch it to another song. Let's play some hip hop. And I'm probably going to be playing more hip hop. I don't really get much into other things. So I apologize. But the boys, my men, Dreamville, dropped some extension stuff to the Revenge of the Dreamers. So I'm gonna jump over there real quick and we're gonna play some of that. Let's see. Bam. We're gonna go right back to the oops. Okay, we're gonna do it on the AirPods now. Okay. Okay. All right, here we go. Big Black Truck by Dreamville and the crew. JID and all that. All right, here we go. I got a big black truck, so you know that's why I'm gonna be banging this joint. Here we go. Bass knocking. Big black truck. Okay. I ain't saying tigers and bears. He definitely didn't say bears. I'm really off beat. This ain't how the beat go. You gotta hear it. I'm kind of like vibing more to the lyrics. No. Alright. Alright. Let's see. Let's go ahead and jump over here. Now, kind of the same thing. Okay. Kind of the same thing, but we're going to see what it's like over here. Galaxy Buds, here we go. Big black truck. All right. Okay. Now, final verdict. All right. Same thing that I said. That's kind of the theme, and that's what I've noticed. Whenever I do listen to the AirPods, clarity on these things are kind of top notch. They kind of some beasts. Now, that's not to say the Galaxy Buds are trash in any way, shape, or form, but there's a difference, and I'm hearing it. And this is from somebody who's really not an audiophile. And for the most part, I think if you were to have just standard audio quality, like if you're listening to it on YouTube Music or just Apple Music or whatever, you're not going to hear that big a difference. But when you do step into that other realm of the quality of music, FLAC files or whatever and all that stuff, you will start to hear more of a difference. Just things sound a lot more crisp, and just it's a different feel. It's hard to explain. Like I said, I'm not an audiophile, so I can't really put it into the correct words and terms. But if even somebody who's not, you will be able to kind of tell the difference. But like I said, but for the most part, for most consumers, I would probably say that the Galaxy Buds would do the job. $130, maybe less for sure, versus $250. I don't see the difference there. I don't justify that price difference as to, somebody, unless if you're serious about your sound, money's no object. I'm not gonna tell you that. No, like if you're serious about something, then you'll pay that extra money just to get that quality. So, but yeah, there goes my comparison. I definitely do hear the difference, but is it worth when it comes to that price, $250 versus like something like the Galaxy Buds for $120, which is what I paid, $130? Nah, I don't think so. And you do have to go ahead and upgrade to a hi-fi quality, music service. So that would be Amazon Music or Tidal. They both offer that as well. Deezer, I believe, too. So anyway, let me know what you guys think about this in the comments below. I apologize for this taking too long for that one subscriber who asked for it. But there it is. There's my opinion. But anyway, man, it's your man Wayne Train. I'm out. Take it easy.